Chebukati ni mtu ambaye tunakumbuka alikuwa amesimamia election. Kwa sasa hivi tumesikia ameaga dunia kwa vile alikuwa amefanya uongozi mbaya na Mungu wa juu halali hiyo uongozi mbaya ndiye ilifanya hata Mungu akamchukua. Asanteni.
Oh my God.
Chebukati. Ati Chebukati. Chebukati. Ati nini mfanyika? Chebukati. Tena tunarudi tena na mambo. Wewe ndio umebeba hela. Unajua? Na tena unajua yani mkuu ndani mnafanya nini? Mnacheka, unalia. Ai. Nini ati Chebukati. Ukitoka nje penye kuna watu ndio familia zisikie. So hiyo ni kilio cheko. Na hii waandika na hii kilio cheko ibaki.
I declares that Ruto William Samoei
aliyekuwa mkuu wa tume ya uchaguzi nchini IEBC Wafula Chebukati ameaga dunia. Chebukati aliaga dunia Ijumaa asubuhi alipokuwa akipokea matibabu katika hospitali moja jijini Nairobi. Chebukati amekuwa mgonjwa kwa muda na ilifika mahali ambapo madaktari walishauri familia yake ikubali kuondoa mashine zilizokuwa zinamsaidia kupumua. Miongoni mwa waliomwomboleza Chebukati ni Rais William Ruto ambaye alisema amesikitishwa sana na kifo cha Chebukati. Ruto alimtaja Chebukati kuwa mtu aliyekuwa na maadili mema na ambaye kifo chake ni pigo kubwa kwa taifa la Kenya. Chebukati atakumbukwa kwa kusimama kidete wakati wa uchaguzi wa mwaka 2022 ambapo alimtangaza Ruto mshindi licha ya mgombea mwenza Raila Odinga kupewa cheki na Rais Uhuru Kenyatta na serikali ya wakati huo. Wafuasi wa Raila walimchukia Chebukati na hadi sasa wapo baadhi wanaosherehekea kifo chake. Hadi kwenda hewani, Raila hakuwa amesema lolote kuhusu kifo cha Chebukati.
Wakenya, former IEBC chairman Wafula Chebukati amekufa. Alikufa leo alfajiri asubuhi. Tumeconfirm. Wakenya, nimekuja hapa kwa comment section naona mnaongea vibaya sana. Mambo ya Kalma is real. Mwaje kumbuka mambo ya 2017 na 2022. Yeye ishapita. Huyu mzee mwacha rest in peace. Sisi wa Afrika atuongeagi ile story ya wenye wamekufa. Tumwachie Mungu atadili na yeye kimemramba.
Hold on. Mnajua nacheka tu kwa nini? Hii ni maajabu. Yaani ogopa wa Kenya tu sincere. Yaani Chebukati ametangazwa tu amekufa. Instead nilidhani watu wataomboleza hata kidogo, wameanza tu ni sherehe party after party. Kwani Chebukati alikuwa mbaya aje haki? Ogopa wa Kenya. Wakikuamulia hivi. Kwanza Chebukati alianza kuuliwa kitambo. Nilikuwa natustukia tu rest in peace Chebukati. Kumbe alikuanga hai. Mulimuua kitambo sana wa Kenya. Mkiamua kitu na nivo. Mumemwandama hadi sasa amekufa. Sasa ni ya ukweli. Badala tena muomboleze hata kidogo, hata mupee familia kamotisha. Nyinyi ndio wana wako.
Anka Kumari. Awacho kabetka ni gik mitimo ne luwi. Okadwa ni wawuondi ji, okadwa na berra. Nyakora mugi ung'eyo kaka yiero ne chalo. Chebukati maybe kataka no mie pesa. I don't know how much it was. But the truth that is there that maybe some people are afraid to mention is that it was not fair election, right? It was not free and fair election. Answer ni kotho. Onende kako ero.
LTN Luo Trending Nation. Mopandi Inyenyo Elela.
Nyakura mogi machiegni kendo mapodi luongo ni LTN Luo Trending Nation kuma Mopandi Inyenyo Elela. Wach mabende donjonwa gisane ni indi Nyakura mogi en wach mar Wafula Chebukati mabende ne en jakom kachendo mar IBC mabende wanyalo wacho kacha ni en duol mochung' ne yiero kod kiew e pacho ka endi. Wafula Chebukati ne mabende ileronwa kacha ni nosebedo ka yudo thieth e hospital chiel maduong' ma pacho ka endi e chuny boma ma Nairobi. Nong'ielo rengo okinyi ma kawuono. Kata kamano nitiere jok mang'eny mabende osegodhoge piny ka oro lit kod kuyo margi kod awi maber ne familia kod osiepe mar Wafula Chebukati. Wadwa ng'iyo gini matut kapok wagine medikete manaka kapok wabiro kod achiel kachiel medikete manaka iluongo ni Luo Trending Nation kuma Mopandi Inyenyo Elela. An kaka pile pod gidenda ni Umari Nasho mari chieno jemone mbele chiene mineno mbele emiyoko. King'e maber ni poke subscribe mondo mi wabed kanyakla.
Kama mai Tumbili to one kai LTN. Yo, what's up guys? This is Tumbili na niko chilled ndani ya Luo Trending Nation. Keep it locked.
LTN Luo Trending Nation. Luo Trending Nation. LTN, the best ahead of the rest.
Chebukati na pay 1 week. Mungu unasikia unasemanga kilio chetu unasikianga raka chap. Sababu gani wewe sijibu hii maombi? Mpaka siku gani utaomba Chebukati akufe? Mpaka siku gani Chebukati akufe? Ama tutembie uchi mje Mungu asikie hii. Nataka wanawake kwanza sana wanawake wale wana mabwana wale bwana yao walishakufa na wale wana wazazi kama sisi. Chebukati atakufa lini Mungu? Huyu jamaa tunateseka juu ya Chebukati. Huyu jamaa kufa haraka. Followed by huyu anaitwaje? Huyu jamaa Sigoi. Mshenzi huyu. Tu celebrate tuone vile wanakufa. Kwanza tunataka Chebukati akufe kama ni mbaya mpaka Sunday.
This, of course, will be my last election to preside over. And for those who will come, we have prepared for you what the Constitution envisaged from us, an independent electoral commission.
Today ya 20th hapa Homa Bay mzima karibu kanisa 100 na kitu. Sasa Chebukati mtu ya Sabbath day hapana jaribu. Tafadhali hapana jaribu Kenya umulete kwa usimu kwa sima tafadhali. Hata silifitia anakuja anakimbia hiyo kwa kuta ataanguka chini. Hapana.
Watu wanasema kwamba Chebukati alikuwa Nairobi Hospital lakini amepelekwa Aga Khan na ako hali mahututi.
Chebukati akufe. Hata sijui kwa nini wanampeleka Aga Khan. Huyu mtu watu wa maana wanakufa, chokorazi na baki.
Chebukati mimi tamani tu sasa hii nisikie Chebukati amekufa. Utakufa. Hata tuambie mambo yako atatukuombea. Tuambie umeleta. Aombe nini? Wacha tupigie kelele Chebukati. Hii shida yote wewe mwenyewe ndio umeleta hii shida. Chebuchesta. Kujakonjeka bwana, hata mamangu alikufa. Kufa bwana. Ng'ombe wewe. Hizo pesa zote ulikula. Utatumika kwa hospitali. Utatembea India, uende Israel, uende wapi? My friend, utakufa. Na tuzike wewe Bangladesh. Kufa kabisa ni jinga wewe. Sasa tangu la saa yako inafika ya kwenda nyumbani. Na ungekuwa mtu mkubwa mwenye ako na akili kama unasema wewe ni lawyer, ungeachana hiyo kiti mapema. Ungeachana hiyo kiti. Na kama usikia muoni Wacha saa kifika. Bila nifanyia Gachagua yako pia iko tu hapo. Hivyo tu. Yako iko tu hapo. Wacha tuambie Chebukati. Wacha tupige kelele kila siku kwa media ati wewe ni mgonjwa.
Chebukati akufe. Hata sijui ni kwa nini wanampeleka Aga Khan. Huyu mtu watu wa maana wanakufa, chokorazi na baki. Watu wa maana wanakufa, chokorazi na baki. Chebukati si mtu hata akupeleka hospitali akufe. Yende ameleta hii shida yote. Hata yende amesababisha Mungu akakasirika akaleta mafuriko. Akujawahi nyesha venye kuna nyesha hivi. Hiyo historia ya kwanza mwaka Ruto ako kwa government, mvua inanyesha kama mchele kwa duka. Hata mbolea yenye ametuletea ni bandia. Yaani hii serikali kila kitu ni bandia. So sisi tunasema Chebukati, wewe hata ustahili kuishi. Ukufe. Hata yule sijui daktari anakutibu hapo na akili gani? Angekudunga shindano ya poison. Wewe ndio umeleta hii shida ya madaktari hata kugoma na uchumi kuwa mbaya.
Weche mopondo, weche mopandi, inyenyo elela.
Kineno kuoko mimi matiende nionge.
Isebe. Nesigana mamulongimani, sigandi joluo, joajawa.
Jothum mokwongo kapok waduogo kuom joangla ong'eane life mar jothum gi familia margi ineno.
Luo Trending Nation ni ong'ala manyime mar gundho ni wechegi kaka gitimore kod ng'ama otimogi maonge deo wang'.
Ochiem to chiem mariek nikech be samoro.
Tudri kodwa seche duto, ndalo duto, kinde duto e tong wang' mbui mar YouTube, TikTok, Facebook mondo yud wechegi kamora mora ma intie mana kar bedo.
Kete mana kai. Kete mana kokidwa kete gato wabro keti gi thuon.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN, the best ahead of the rest.
Nyakoromogi machiegni kendo ma pod iluongo ni LTN Luo Trending Nation. Manyocha en jakom mar duol mochung' ne yiero e pacho ka endo Wafula Chebukati koro ong'ielo rengo. Maendi en ote mobiro kinyisani ma ji oketo e mbui kacha kuonde mopogore opogore kichako kod Facebook, TikTok to gi kuonde ma bende he jopiny nyalo nene kotenore gi mbui. Ikonwa kacha endo ni Wafula Chebukati nong'ielo rengo. Magi endi biro mana bang' kinde machuok chien kacha. Ji golo wach kacha ni bende otho kata ong'ielo rengo ma bende nokotimore. Nitiere jok ma bende nobiro uduogo nono oyudo ni nok otho but ne otuo. Iwacho ni fuoni ne mag del maiye ma bende ochuno ahinya ne osetho kanyo no endo kata nosechung' ma ok ti. Mano nomiyo kete e life supporting machine ma bende neno ni osiro ngima. Chien kanyo no endo no wach gi dho ngere kacha ni he was clinically dead, which means that organs ge moko ma important kanyo no endo nosechung'. Ma endi noketo family ne e paro matek ahinya kata kind paro mopogore opogore ka bende nomigi thuolo ni ginyalo bedo nomigi thuolo mar yiero nego machine mane konyo ngima kata mondo mi oweyo timbedo kanyo no endo. Nokoduogo konwa kaka familia mare no decide kata negi decide giduogo ginego life supporting machine okokonwa, but koro wayudo mana message koseng'ielo rengo. Jotelo mopogore opogore kod ji mopogore opogore e pacho ka endi oseoro let margi kokalo e mbui margi kata kokalo wang' jowi mopogore opogore kuonde minene gi jopiny. Kata kamano wambe kaka LTN Luo Trending Nation wadonwa bed gi osiepe kod anyuola kod jo Kenya as a whole mondo mi waor let marwa ne anyuola kod osiepe mare to kod jo Kenya. Kata kamano jok moko nitie mopogore opogore ma bende ose wacho pachgi kanyo no endo ka nitie jomoko maneno tho mar Chebukati kaka bende gino ma bende okel gi gik mane otimo. Nitie jok manene ni mano kuor mochul gi Nyasaye, nitie be jomokawe mana kaka tho ma kawaida. In minene kanyo no endo akia ni in tikawe nang'o, inyalo konowa bende kaka ikawe kata kaka into ineno korka kori. Gisani ni endi poko konwa ni ene od kano ringre mane kata ang'o madekel thone. En mana ni bang' yiero ne nitiere kaka ji nok nie winjruok ahinya. Ji ne nie e pogruok ka ne nitie jok mabende nok sir duoko mabende nogol gi jakom mar IEBC Wafula Chebukati makoro sani en mosenindo. Jomoko ne neno ni ne ochalo gima Raila Amolo Odinga, koro wafuasi mag Raila nokowinjo maber ahinya, lakini ng'eyo ni kuma gimoro rache the other side nyaka bed maber. Koro jok mane pako muluor William Ruto nogo erokamano ahinya kendo negi congratulate Wafula Chebukati kaka bende ng'at ma strong, ng'at ma jaratiro, ng'at ma ok nyal pog gi tungni mag jopiny. Kata kamano kunchiel jok mono support Raila Amolo Odinga noywak kabisa kowacho ni Wafula Chebukati ousogi. Omiyo kane nitiere tungni kod dhao mopogore opogore, to ng'amono ji kuongo blame ahinya kata ni keto mzigo ni wiye ne en Wafula Chebukati. Omiyo koninde bade nitiere jok makoro kawe ni en kaka nitimo, kaka wacho kachicha gi oswayo ni malipo ni hapa duniani. Bang' yiero no endo, kuma tuo Wafula Chebukati jichako winjo en kano dhi hospital mabende nitimo ne bero mar wang' kachacha endo. Bang'e no chako lal matin, endo selal koduogo but samora mora moduogo e public kata wach ni uduogo e public to en mana wach motenore kod weche mag ngima kata health ama afya kwa Kiswahili. Omiyo gisani to koro oseninde bade. Ji wache mopogore opogore. Nitie jok mawacho rest in peace, nitie jomoko mawacho ni dhi e hell, nitie jok moko ji kawe mopogore opogore kaluwore gi feelings margi. An kakomari kakoro katiyo gi public o katiyo gi Luo Trending Nation noseoro condolences magi and take it from that. An kakomari awacho kabetka ni gik mitimo ne luwi. Okadwa ni wawuond ji, okadwa na berra. Nyakora mogi ung'eyo kaka yiero ne chalo. Ing'eyo ni ji oleng'a ni kinda piny eraba marucho weche. Mabende samoro tamaga gi joluo mang'eny ne yudo ka nitie gimoro marach to kwa wach ni rach nikech baba ko support ni ber to koro ji duogo wacho ni ber. But remember ni nitie families mano olalo nyithindegi. Nitie families ma jomoko nolalo ngimagi ok achiel ok ariyo. Nitie jomoko manolalo tijegi kotenore kod dhao bang' yiero kata mwaluongo ni post election violence. And magi gik makopo ni ng'amono ji dhao ne kata mono ji gone koko ne en muluor Raila Odinga. Kichake neno ka giduogi makore then ok wawach ni rach nikech iwacho ni chuny malendo ber, to kata kamano iwacho ni we can forgive but we cannot forget. Gigi gin gik mantie and the situation makata country nitie sane negi chakore yiero. Nyiso ni Wafula Chebukati negi thuolo mar loko gigi kapok obedo wasend. Nyaka sani apani an sawa gi kanyo no endo. Omiyo akonoga ji pile ni waweuru kao gigi kagima en thogi kuo. Ochalo mana kaka yudo kondiko kambi ji ariyo, then ng'ato donje kambi loko gik moko mang'eny, duoko salary mag ji chien and eventually riembe. Oloko sa bwana mimondo ma ji sign ng'ata nyaki but gikone ni riembe owe kambi no. The other time nitiere ndalo moro ma bende kata mane oangla ka ni ji wacho ni umari bwana to ini address nyaka jomotho. The other time ka nasak lemo kabisa mondo mi ogol na YouTube ma gikone to ong'ielo rengo. Koro notimo maber, no protect gige YouTube mondo kik ng'ato dhigo. Then okidwa ni duty gi content ni, yes, it's good to protect your content. Then where is he? Iloso irido ne gato iketo malich kasto imbe dhiwe. Look at it now. Chebukati maybe kataka no mie pesa. I don't know how much it was. But the truth that is there that maybe some people are afraid to mention is that it was not fair election, right? It was not free and fair election. People voted, but they were not given their what? They were not given what they were for. You get it? Then where is he now? He's dead. Iyudo ka jok mono odhi ode ka yiero setimore wacho ni ne en gi luoro gi wasiwasi mane mibetogo ka in tiji en mana lendo. It means ni kata en no feel ni gimo dhi timo tok sawa. An sani kotho onind kako ohero ka timni rach iwacho ni timbeni maricho ne luwi, timbeni mabecho ne luwi, tenda wema nenda zako, misach richo en tho. It is there. This is what happened to Kivitu. This is what is now happening to Chebukati. And ibro yudo ni ng'ato pod biro kao that seat kato bed manager luo, and it will still be the same thing. When you are looking for life, ensure that you live it. We inyalo timo gimoro ni manyo ngima. Sami manyo ngima no, ensure ni ngima no be ngima. Somebody once said ni, when you are looking for life, ensure you also live it. Live mar dagi ngima no. Ngima mimanyo no dagi. In short, sami manyo chiemo, ensure ni chiemo. Wenindo kech ni manyo gimi chamo kiny. When you are looking for future, ensure that you also enjoy present. Ng'ato nogero ot several years, ogero ot maduong' kabisa worth billions. Koro retire. To bedroom ne monogero moketo golden things, a master bedroom, okonyal twenyo nikech koro en over 100 years. Utieko gero odi chako ja 100 years. Koro chune ni oninde a servant quarters monogero piny nikech okonya twenyo malo. Koro enji nindo malo, eno nindo a servant quarters. It happens. Omi pesa, iruin ngima marji, then you also die. By the way, after elections, be Germany ose enjoy. Watch katani nen 200 million. Because this person has been hospitalized for so long. Ena ene hospital. To diwuoye di nyal to baba osewacho ni Ruto Tosa. Ajuluo waonge musimamo. Ngeni kawuono kata ka babo wuoyo mogo dhoge piny. Wafula Chebukati will be a very great man. Wan joma ng'eny pok wuoyo girito baba wuo. Girito baba wuo. Eyora. Baba kose wuoyo, ibiro winjo Luo puppets that do not have their stand. They will give congratulations and fake live background. Marwa Wafula Chebukati. Kopo ni Nyasaye umi a position moro. Tigo maber that will make you leave that place a hero. Jehovah mi following moro matin, nitie jok moko malui matin minyalo command. Use that following maber. By the time my following dog chien, you still remain a hero. That is what I'm saying. Some of us misuse our positions. We misuse them. Yeah. We dictate. We enhance corruption. But Nyasaye makawuono tuacho ni Nyasaye moko nyango. You cannot put millions of people a trouble, then you think you'll enjoy your millions or your trillions or your billions. Ongenga man malet kanga mo me power moro matin. Ti kode maber. Ineno jok mane positions machalo kaka prince enda e piny Luo ka. Nyako ti kode maber. Because there is something that God seen in you and decided to give you that power. Otherwise, there are a lot of people that are so talented than these big musicians that you see or big artists that you see. But how do you use it? Omari ukete position mar LTN nitie jok malendo maber makelo gine kakidware, and you'll hear even from comments Omari nyero mang'eny, Omari nikia timo gini, Omari you are unprofessional. Where are those people that are professional? They are down there. It means that they've not been given that favor. It's just favor that God always gives us. Not that you are perfect, not that you do it better, not that, no. There are some people that are better than you from talent, money, everything, you know. Niti jok man gi pesa, tok ge yudo that position, pesa ge go, onge ngama gi nyalo control go kata chiel. It means, in ki nyalo bede control moro matin.
Oganda Luo kendo e piny Luo. Oganda wopong kod were mathoth mapoko yangi. Nyota mag rowere bura dimo ka duond jowa modhuro bende poko winji. Wakeloni Luo Talent Search mabiro kod tekre makende. Ma en chenro mowuok oko mar yango kendo konyo jogo man kod were mar miyo ji nyiero, wer, miel, lendo kod mamoko mathoth. Luo Talent Search biro mar neno ni lek magi ochopo kare. Be in kod oteku mar bedo duond Luo, bedo sulwe mar oganda Luo. Riwri kodwa mondo piny ngima one mich mani ogwedhigo. Ma kik bai. Your talent, our stage. Let the search begin.
You know, this Ray dancehall artist. I'll be performing at Luo Talent Search 15th April 2025.
LTN Luo Trending Nation. Luo Trending Nation, LTN, the
best ahead of the rest.
Na hata saa zile fraka zilianza, mimi nikalala chini kidogo. Kulikuwa na wenzangu waliniambia lala chini usiumizwe.
Tulikuwa tunamueleza tu ya kwamba chairman, jameni, huwezi fanya hivi, ya kwamba wewe unataka kutangaza matokeo ambayo hatujaona.
We therefore cannot take ownership on the results that is going to be announced.
Tarehe 15 Agosti mwaka 2022, taifa lilingojea matokeo uchaguzi wa rais siku 7 tangu siku ya uchaguzi. Ilitarajiwa matokeo yangebainika kufikia saa 6 mchana, lakini mwenye kuyatangaza hakujulikana alikokuwa.
Kutoka saa 5 mpaka mwendo wa saa 9 hivi ilikuwa ninaingia nikitoka nikiuliza chairman hajaingia, tunahitaji kuona matokeo hii kabla haja kuja kutangaza.
Tukaambiwa chairman amepigia simu presidential agents candidates wote na wameambiwa wakuje Bomas ndio tangazo lifanyike.
Nilimpigia mara kadhaa na nikikumbuka vyema hakuna ile simu iliingia. Simu yake haikuingia.
Mwenyekiti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati katika hati kiapo yake kwa mahakama ya upeo alidai kuwa mwendo wa saa 4 asubuhi alifahamishwa kuwa wawakilishi wa kamati ya kitaifa ya usalama NSAC walitaka kukutana naye Bomas. Mapema siku hiyo mwendo wa saa 9 asubuhi, Chebukati alidai kutembelewa na aliyekuwa seneta wa Busia Amos Wako pamoja na mkurugenzi mkuu wa Azimio la Umoja Raphael Tuju. Alidai kuwa walitaka matokeo ya uchaguzi wa rais yarekebishwe. Na Wakenya walipotazama runinga zao na kusikiliza nyimbo za wanakwaya, Chebukati aliyekuwa akitarajiwa kutangaza matokeo hakuwa Bomas, wengi wakishangaa.
Bwana Chebukati alisema alfajiri ati yeye amechoka, ameenda nyumbani kwake kwenda kupumzika.
Hata wale commissioners wengine nikiuliza, manake tulikuwa nakuta Vice Chairman Cherera, hata yeye mwenyewe alikuwa anasema hata yeye ajui, anasema anakuja. Alikuwa wakati hiyo bado anasema tu anakuja. Kundi
la viongozi wa kidini waliokuwa wakifuatilia mchakato wa uchaguzi waliwasiliana na Chebukati.
So as we headed to Bomas, the chair requested that we stop over and offer prayers for him at home before he proceed to Bomas.
Askofu Mkuu Jackson Sapit akisema walimpata mwenyekiti akiwa mwenye wasiwasi mwingi.
Very tense. He was just walking across the sitting room. The wife and the daughter were in distress, and all what we did was we never asked the details what was happening, but we can see the agitation.
Mwenyekiti wa IEBC alikuwa katika hali ya mgongano wa kimawazo. Wanasiasa walikuwa wakimwandama huku kila mmoja akiwa na kauli na mapendeleo yake. Alikuwa anatarajia kukutana na wawakilishi wa kamati ya usalama ya NSAC, ikiaminika alihofia safari yake kuelekea ukumbi wa Bomas.
If you hear somebody in distress and when danger calls for duty, remember that song, when danger calls for duty, be never wanting there. I think that was what was driving us. Even if it is dangerous, if it is hard, we have to be in that position and offer prayers, because all what he asks of us is prayer.
Viongozi wa kidini waliandaa msafara wa magari kuelekea Bomas wakizingira gari la Chebukati. Katika hati kiapo yake, Chebukati alidai kuwa wawakilishi wa kamati ya kitaifa ya usalama walitaka matokeo ya uchaguzi wa urais yabadilishwe kumfaa Raila Odinga au kuhakikisha hakuna mshindi ili taifa lirejee kwenye uchaguzi, kwamba makamishna 4 wakiongozwa na naibu mwenyekiti Juliana Cherera waliunga mkono kauli ya kamati ya NSAC, lakini ikapingwa na makamishna Abdi Gulie na Boya Molu. Chebukati akisisitiza kutangaza matokeo kama yalivyokuwa.
Nafikiri mwendo wa saa 9:30 saa 10 hivi akatuita sasa kwa ofisi yake, tukaelezwa kwamba chairman amekuja, chief agents mnaweza enda kumuona. Tukaenda tukakuta, mimi nikaenda nikakuta hata wale wengine wameshaketi, na nikaketi akasema ndio hizi nimekuja na matokeo na nataka kutangaza na matokeo ndio hii, so ninataka musaini mutie sahihi.
Ile makaratasi ya mwisho ambayo inaandikwa lazima uangalie tu kama kweli imeenda venye ulikuwa unatakiwa, na hiyo ni haki yetu. lakini wakati tulifika kule Chebukati alikataa.
Nikamwambia nipe tu kopi zangu na unipe dakika 30. Alafu haina neno, nitatia sahihi na basi tuendelee. Akasema mimi sina kopi nyingine, niko na moja na utapewa kopi baada ya matangazo.
Nikamuuliza wapi wale commissioners wake, kwa sababu alikuwa peke yake. Akasema hajui mahali wako. Nikamwambia kweli, unajua wewe ndio returning officer wa presidential candidate, lakini singekuwa vyema kama ungekuwa na wale wote. Akasema yeye kazi yake atafanya kazi yake.
Wakati wote huu kwaya ilikuwa ikiongoza nyimbo ukumbini, wanasiasa wa mirengo tofauti wakiimba nyimbo sawa. Nao makamishna Juliana Cherera, Justus Nyang'aya, Irene Masit na Francis Wanderi waliondoka Bomas na kuelekea katika hoteli moja jijini kutangaza kujitenga kwao na matokeo ya Chebukati.
We are here not at Bomas of Kenya where the result is going to be announced because of the opaque nature of how this phase has been handled.
Walikuwa Bomas mpaka dakika chache ndio tukawaona Serena. That means pengine walikuwa wametoka Bomas half an hour or 40 minutes thereabouts.
Taifa likawa hatarini, na hata kabla ya kufahamu yaliyokuwa kijiri, vurugu zikaibuka ukumbini Chebukati alipoelekea kutangaza matokeo ya mwisho.
When they were coming out of that room where they were supposed to sign, now the commotion was there. There was a push from the Azimio team that you cannot announce a Bangol election. We are not going to allow you to do that. And there was another team pushing Chebukati and the three commissioners and the CEO forward that they must come and announce. And we are all seated, helplessly there, and seeing commotion and people. And when they came, it became evident that it's a fracas ensuing. The throwing of the podium into the floor, people were hitting each other with their chairs, and ourselves were, we got ourselves in the Mali, and then we went behind the curtain.
Wakati mimi natoka hivi, ndio watu wa Kenya Kwanza wakaanza kunipiga. Walikuwa wanasema muue, ua.
Mimi mwenyewe karibu nilikuwa ikawa tu basi nafikiri nilisimama ile, Mungu akanisaidia, lakini walinizunguka sana wale jamaa wale wafuasi wale wa UDA. Walikuwa wako na hamu sana ya kunivamia, lakini nafikiri macho yangu kidogo ikakuwa ni moto kidogo kama ya simba.
Ingalao nilianguka mara mbili, nikapigwa na viti, nikapigwa kofi, nikapigwa na maji, nikapigwa na kila kitu wakisema ua, nikatoka. Nilipotoka kule bado damu yangu ilikuwa moto, sikuwa nasikia kama nimeumia.
Ikawa wanakuja tu wanasimama. Hata sijui ni kwa nini walikuwa wanasimama. Maana mimi nilikuwa naangalia tu namna hii, nawaambia mtu asiniguze. Wanakuja tu wanasimama wote, wananizunguka namna hii. Bahati pia Murkomen, waziri sasa ambaye ndio wa uchukuzi, ni muungwana sana. Ule ni muungwana sana. Manake alikuja sasa pia akanizingira. Akaambia wale wacheni, hakuna haja ya kujeruhi mtu ama nini.
The Azimio team were removed out of Bomas, or they removed themselves. I did not see how they went out myself.
Amani iliporejea, Rais William Ruto na naibu wake Rigathi Gachagua, wakati huo wakiwa mgombea urais na mgombea mwenza wake, walifika ukumbini wakifuatwa na mwenyekiti Chebukati, ambaye wakati huu hakuandamana na makamishna wawili wenza wakiaminika kujeruhiwa wakati wa vurugu.
The mic was handed over to me by Gabo himself and said, Bishop, come and pray. So it was at that moment, our minds are all confused. But I thank God because the mic did not work in the first instance. So when I was trying to listen, the mic was working is when I was also listening to God. What should I say? And I said, before I pray, I will make a short statement. And that's when I said, the nation has been anxious, but we want to urge all Kenyans, let us now put our anxiety aside. Then I prayed, and I only simply asked God, you always know how to lift us up. Lord, we want to ask you Please give us our country back. It's almost going.
I was too nervous to even concentrate on the prayer. All I knew is that I needed him to finish praying quickly.
Chebukati aliyeonekana kusongwa na mawazo akafanya jukumu lake la kikatiba.
And for those who will come, we have prepared for you what the Constitution envisaged from us, an independent electoral commission.
Japo makamishna wanne wakiongozwa na Juliana Cherera waliendelea kushikilia kuwa mchakato wa uthibitishaji wa matokeo ya uchaguzi wa urais ulikosa uwazi, mahakama ya upeo ilitupilia mbali kesi 8 zilizopinga uchaguzi wa William Ruto. Miezi mitatu baadaye, makamishna Juliana Cherera, Justus Nyang'aya na Francis Wanderi walilazimika kujiuzulu baada ya kusimamishwa kazi na jopo la kuwachunguza kubuniwa. Kamishna Irene Masit hata hivyo aliamua kujitetea. Askofu Mkuu Sapit akishangaa masaibu ya IEBC yalianza lini.
Wote walikuwa wanaonekana wanafanya kazi pamoja. Si kujua kwamba kulikuwa na shida, tulikuja tu kujua baada ya kuona hawa Serena na kuona kwamba wakitangaza vitu zao.
He said that the old commissioners had a way of doing things which they did not involve these ones, and these ones were kept in the dark.
Makamishna watatu wameondoka, watatu waliosalia wataondoka Januari tarehe 17 watakapostaafu, huku kamishna Masit akingojea hatima yake. Kuondoka kwa makamishna hao kukifikisha kikomo msimu wa kiza na malumbano uliosheheni katika makao makuu ya tume ya IEBC kwa kipindi cha miaka 6 tangu Chebukati kuchukua hatamu za uongozi. Jumla ya makamishna 7 wamewahi kujiuzulu, wote wakilalamikia uongozi wa mwenyekiti, naye Chebukati akidai kulikuwa na mwingilio wa kisiasa kwa tume. Sam Gitoko, runinga ya Citizen.
Kenya lobby control moro matin. God has given you that power. Use it well. Okenya moro jite, but at least 1 or 2 mitimo maber will remain and will follow you. A leader, governor, who it's not only for those people that are in those positions, me year ago electoral, no. Position more, be it you're a teacher, how do you use it? Because you can command that team. Menya loko no nyathini kiny bi kama kiny, team kama kiny. How do you use it? Nitie nyaka jopuonj matiyo gi that command mondo mi onind gi nyithi school. So I'm not only talking to politicians. I'm even talking to a pastor. Manyalo command ni bwana wadwaro 10,000. Ngato ka ngato wadwa gero od Nyasaye, and people bring. How do you use your position? You should not just sit back and watch ni ati Wafula notimo kama indi no mislead country. In a position ma intiere no, how do you use it? Like this thing that nowadays you are talking about, mar TikTok okethre. It's all about jokmanie position mar chiwo command. If somebody can tell you ni auro ni 10,000 lonyri, look at that command. Look at it. And maybe this person is desperate of money. Ngani se wuotho nyaka okinyi pok oyudo pesa. And that command is even in the Bible when Jesus told them, go and cast your nets again. Kani yawa Nyasaye Jehova. Gini no timu tieno ngima, no kwa yudo gimoro. But ang'o miyo ne gichak giduoko? Kionge gimoro. Ine yudo mari man Afrika katu in loka. Gigwe makoro timo ne rene Wafula Chebukati. King'i Wafula kende. Acha to se thoni ndika kohero. In a position ma intie, itimo godang'o. One LTN wakao upcoming wakele limelight. And we don't care katage the paro katog par. We just play our part. And somebody may see you to be stupid. No, God has put you there. You have to do what you are given. That position that you are, you have a responsibility to prove to the Almighty. Because nyithindi nika, it's not all about you. Nyithindi nika, ngimani nika, everything. Look at those people that have been doing bad to people. Where are they? Do they enjoy life? And gift precious gift that we've been given by God is that life. So it means when you don't have it, you've not been given. A moment michio minyalo lwako lao, God has a reason with you. Give position muketi, you know. Do it. And okjotelo kende katitiyo ni manangato. That is a position that you've been put by God. God can uplift you from that position to the other position depending on how you behave. Mane momiyo wacho ni matin mumi ko kinya control kata maduong bendi biro ketho. That is the say. It's not about money. No. Umari ogweli kumoro matin ogweli Luo Trending Nation. Do you use it wisely? Because we need to code ethiroji. No, what you code a guarda dieri mokan. The only thing that we have is that we speak truth. So we cannot be friends to people, but eventually they come and agree with us that that is the truth. Because we don't add anything, we don't exaggerate, we only put it the way it is. And don't do it to make people happy. Do it to please God. And the moment that you please God, it means that those people that are online with God will be happy. Those that are against it, it means that they are also against God. Because we are even told, if you do good, those people that are blessing you, I'll bless those that bless you. I'll curse those that only when you are doing good. It's not to everyone. Mane momi okete moma ber to ngato yuare kodi to ngano mabenga mari embele ni ngane melalago kenge ngane made. Because God says, I'll bless those that bless you. Abro gwedu joma gwedi. You get my point? Kineno ka jikuongi to kaka gikuongi ne kaka temore, nyiso ni you are not with God. Oh, into kecham then okecham adieri. You are not with God. With God ka ngato wacho ni okecham to ene moko cham. I don't know whether you are getting this simple concept. That concept is very easy. That's why I've not agreed ni ngato wacho ni ngane otho nkech ngane no kore ni okocham. Then embende en kapka en kumarach, not even marach. Because God cannot allow ni kuongi then otimore kamano. No, God kuongo ngama kuongi. It means ni Nyasaye ring be ni nego ngama negi. You don't get this point? And I lemu to jowadu. Then team gima legit. Don't struggle to make everyone happy. Just do your best. Stop it from there. But oknika ngato setho, then rest in peace. Akiena ngowa Nyasaye oket chunye kumukuye otimore nade. Nyasaye oket chunye kumonyalo. Jehova decide kode kono. But somebody that is doing great when you die, in fact you are celebrated. We celebrate your life. You know, because you've been doing great things. You become a hero. Yeah? Why was Jomo Kenyatta celebrated? Nobody celebrated nikech no lead mondo ji okao independence. At least nengi part maji celebrate. But ere kaka no rule ji. I don't have to talk about that. I was not there. Look at Moi. Look at all those people. Wadaguru kwa ng'eyo ni kiny joma chiele man kanyo ngima wa ok permanent. Wawe uru behave as if we live for 300 years. It is impossible. Umari the tho. Wawe uru kwa ngeni nti. Watimu uru gimoro kwa ngeni wan ngima makiny. Wetimo kagima you will be in that position until you die. Not until you die, until the end of earth. Don't behave as if you are permanent in this life. Mane mumi umari raj, ankaraj to raj. You will not convince me because eventually I know that I have to die. Chebukati notimo marach, thone ok litna. And personally, thone ok litna. Ujo luo ngeni sani une sirikal ubiro gura uru. But thone talk late na an. Nikech motimo late molo thone. Were it not for that wrong angowa information munuchiwo molando the wrong person. Sani de kuro juk suffer. I know even some Luos that were not with me now, they've started. Nikech ngima chwado gi kan. Nye kaka dhogo tu. Nimekonda. And it's not only me. An ngato nyalo comment because I always come on camera. So tell me, there is a person that cannot even afford camera. There is a person that cannot even afford a phone. Top person in country. You know how much we have in this country? A lot of money. Look at those people that have just tried to taste. Just having a taste of money. Their lives are really changed. They've changed. You look at somebody like this, watching Yangani, don't you check up MCA just recently here, Chwemaraj. Opong. Dalag you change, pap. And when you check at the salary, you are like, it's not this. Like ngata muteno rekum politician from a friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, what a friend, relative. Watim uru gima ber kapod wangima mabiro meyo timni maberno don karapar, because we'll always know, and we've already known that one day, one time, you have to go down. Katamima na position Omari in LTN mwadwa ni kori bede okinyal bet 100 years LTN. Omari Mark no kanyo bwana. No, I'll not be there 100 years. Kata 100 years no yuda kakora all magitimore kama I need somebody to hold this mic for me. Kochakwe bang 100 years no matin koro toko wuo, koro tokata wuo kata makane oko wuo oko winji. Omari koro Angiu kama maneno thona. Awara. I reflect ni surely. How will it be when I'll be leaving this earth? Will I go a hero? Kosa bro tho. Kajiteo kudwari. Ende wachine kakatimore pinge kakatimore polo. Tell me if people do not want you here on earth. How are you going to survive in heaven? Ok ni jogo kudwari ni atigin kodi gi nyiego ni timo maber kaka jojawa manyalo ngato kudwari dwara ni like ok itimo maber koro kudwari. Ji kudwari because of bad things mitimo. Where will you be accepted in heaven? Where? Beokletna. Otherwise, mane kaka nen podcast review videos mono omaki ndalo elections. I feel so bad. Gimarach nani jok mo feel neki so bad to are not feeling bad anymore. Gin gise heal kendo gedhi pod giriembo geche madongo wane makoro ngimoredorenwa to guok moro kumoro to kasre kaka wane e government. Anyway, pod wadhi kelo ni kachachaendo nonro kod siganda Wafula Chebukati medikete manaka Luo Trending Nation anto dongungea kaka pile Omari Nash Bwana an chieng' moro ka yudo position achiel kama mar siasa, Nyasachiel nyaka dong' ahiro. Ne yure migawo achiel kata wacho chena kaw mana kumoro matin e ward moro matin kama bire MCA, then people must see a change. I'll ensure that I make that place heaven on earth. I'll ensure that I make that place heaven on earth. Chamokrach wachamuru matin. Wafula Chebukati nodwa yako ahinya. Kiyaka ahinya iwacho ni ng'amu participate e baro coconut gi wiye ok cham. Nikech a moment mosebarore ndiyo osebarore ma uwuok, but en wiye cha okuot, koro chuno no dhi omake kama. Even the family will not enjoy those money. Friends are also not proud of him because it was all over. Wafula Chebukati, Yero Kethre, who was there? Wafula Chebukati, Jiogore, Nango, Wafula Chebukati, Lendo Rachi, Ngamulendo, Wafula Chebukati. Mami uchukwirini usijaribu. Chebukati, mimi ni mtu wa Sabath. Ulijaribu. Utakufa vibaya wewe. Sani koro ng'ato tho kata gimonege makoro kata kakiwachi. Jehova kuong negi te Bwana. Mano kore miwinjo ni chieng' mini chiewe yud kitho. Koro Wafula Chebukati gi ni jok muchiewo moyudo kotho. Because if you can be there for several days in kanyo Bwana to onge giminyalo timo, nyiso ni Jehova tangoni kaka ng'amotho chalo. You cannot even do this. Ineno kidini otho, ineno liver otho, ineno kiang' otho, ineno mach otho, mach fail. Koro ine kama. Wang'i madi neno go maber no wang'i achiel bo sebar. Awinjo ka ng'ato wacho ni gima notimo ne Raila. It's not all about Raila. In fact, Raila ko suffer this thing. Raila sani ni winjo maber gin gi Ruto. People have suffered a lot. Raila, that thing has not affected Raila. Kikwari Mburu. Wafula Chebukati no ko affect Raila. Raila is one person. Look at your life now. Wafula Chebukati no mess with the country. No Raila Odinga. Kikji wachini yo kia Raila kitimo ne toke chama Raila kunyasai. People all late when everyone is crying for you. It's bad. Mane momiyo amedo kwiri ni ati kuma intino no weketo ni jiywak ni ahinya. Kata kiwinjo kodhi matek ni ati chik tich keti inyalo ywagi chien kani ang'o miyo kata mana polise iyudo ka manyo gine, manyo kata mana transfer. Nikech otemo ni odwano odhi kama to yudo ka gweng'no ochung' kode ne. Koro wacho ni to chikna tok dane ka gini timore miya uru transfer mondo ki gini timre presence mara. It is better that way. Moloyo ni dhigi system. Then in system iweka dhi mbele to initho. Matako.
Of course, to my amazing people, my name is Edgo Dhiambo and I am a freelance journalist from Nairobi, Kenya. Hakikisha kwamba unapata kutune in ndani ya LTN, that is Luo Trending Nation. Hapa, this is the home of all supportive channel ambayo so far imepata kuwa kwenye industry and so far inafanya vyema sana, imekuwa ikipromote sana wasanii kutoka the Luo land, that is called the Luo Nation, wanapata kuchipuka kutoka kwa channel kama hii. Guys, hakikisha kwamba unapata kusubscribe, bonyeza alama ya subscribe ufike 100k subscribers. Kazi safi sana hapo, chapa kazi.
Trending Nation, LTN, the best ahead of the rest.
LTN, Luo Trending Nation. Mopandi inyenyo elela. Weche mopondo, weche mopandi inyenyo elela.
Kineno kokuo kuomi matiende ni onge.
Isebe. Ne sigana mamulo ngimani, sigand joluo, joajawa.
Jothum mokwongo kapok waduogo kuom joangla. Ong'eane life mar jothum gi familia margi. Ineno.
Luo Trending Nation ni ong'ala manyime mar gundho ni wechegi kaka gitimore kod ng'ama otimogi maonge deo wang'.
Ochiem to chiem mariek nikech be samoro.
Tudri kodwa seche duto, ndalo duto, kinde duto e tong wang' mbui mar YouTube, TikTok, Facebook mondo yud wechegi kamora mora ma intie mana kar bedo.
Kete mana kai. Kete mana kokidwa kete ka to bro keti gi thuon.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN, the best ahead of the rest.